Okay. Okay, so once again, dun sa mga bago, baka hindi nyo alam kung ano tong pinasok nyo. Well, this is a business presentation right now. A business that is phenomenal in growth. Okay. Siguro magtataka kayo, bakit ang daming tao? Imagine, kasi simula pa lang natin, it's already 287 participants and still timing. Dumarating nga talaga yung point, umabot tayo ng 1,000 participants dito. And that's because everybody is seeing the value that Live Good is offering. And you are lucky. If you're a guest right now, pasalamatan mo yung nag-invite sa inyo kasi ngayon po makikita nyo yung talagang kagandahan ng Live Good. At makikita nyo na Live Good talaga yung makakapagpabago sa buhay nyo. Alright? So tuloy lang natin ang konting shoutout. It's already 7:23 na rin. Good evening, Coach Mon. And Live Good family. Shout out sa Team Heart, Beirut, Lebanon from Herma Acosta. Hello po, hello. And then from Dream Achievers, Ben, shout out sa team ko, Dream Achievers, and good evening, Coach Mon. Hello po. From Freddy Bombales, good evening, Coach Mon. And to everyone, shout out to my team, Fighter Soaring Eagles. Wow, ang gaganda ng mga team names nyo, no? All right. Jeff is saying hello. Jerome is saying, Coach Mon, shout out sa invites ko. Miss Romero from Cainta Rizal. Hello, Miss Romero. Pasalamatan niyo po si Jerome kasi ito na nga po. Maganda po yung maririnig niyo yung ngayon. I just want you to have an open heart and an open mind kasi talagang ibang-iba po. Ibang-iba yung maririnig niyo tonight. Okay. Siguro last 3 shout-outs na lang. Shout-out to team from Jerome. All in Thailand International. Okay, hello. Abner is saying shout out to from Team Energy Dubai. Wow, hello, hello. And Ronaldo is saying good evening, Coach Mon. Shout out naman sa aming Team Abundance who are watching right now. God bless us all. Okay, hello Ronaldo and shout out to your Team Abundance. Yes. Okay, from North Olympus, watching from North Olympus QC. Hello. Jess Martin saying good evening. Maria Anita is saying good evening to all. Pa-shout out ng team ko, Live Good Soaring Eagle Global 2023. Pa-shout out LG Dreamers team from LG Coach Anjo. Hello po. Hello. Emmanuel Bacalla is saying shout out to my team LG Ultimate Warriors. Ayan. Okay, so let's start na because it's already 7:25 and I'm really valuing each other's time. Tuloy na lang natin yung pagbati mamaya if ever we'll still have time. By the way, to those who would have questions, please reserve them at the end of the presentation kasi medyo focus ako when I do the presentation. So I would not be able to take note of your questions. Ngayon, if ilalagay nyo naman ngayon, baka matabunan mamaya pag Q&A time na. If we have time for Q&A, baka hindi ko na mabasa rin or matabunan na. Alright? So, reserve your questions at the end of the presentation. At who knows, baka naman sa presentation ko masagot na yung mga tanong nyo. Alright. So, let me just share my screen here. Where is my screen? Ayun. Alright. Since malapit na magpasko, this is my screen. Can everybody see my screen? Okay. My presentation for tonight is going to be all about Live Good. Alright? So, ayan. Live Good is actually a perfect gift to everybody. Not only this Christmas season, but all season. Why? Because Live Good, sabi ko nga, ito yung magbabago ng buhay mo. Ito yung makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo. At ito talaga yung mag-aangat ng kalagayan mo sa buhay. Alright? I've seen this happen to so many people already. Kahit ganun pa lang kaikli yung ating yung lifespan ni Live Good, masyado pa tayong bata, yet so many lives have changed already. All right? Before I continue, let me introduce myself. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coaches. And ayan po, ayan yung aking info, my FB page, my YouTube channel, and my phone number, just in case you want to call me. Okay, some short background. I'm a registered nurse by profession and also a real estate broker. Okay, napagdaanan ko na po lahat I was an employee before, and you know, as an employee, talagang wala kang time sa family mo. Kasi yung 24 hours mo, talagang dinededicate mo dun sa employment mo eh. Hindi mo namamalayan yan kasi feeling mo 8 hours ka lang nagtatrabaho. Pero sa pag-uwi mo, ang utak mo nandun pa rin sa trabaho mo, di ba? So talagang you don't have time for your family, but it's okay with you kasi talagang you're expecting salary every 15th and the 30th. Alright? Pero kahit gaano pa kataas yung salary mo diyan, I'm telling you that employment hindi po tutupad ng pangarap 'yan. Okay? So after being employed, I went OFW kasi sabi nila mas malaki kitaan doon eh. True enough, malaki naman talaga yung kitaan doon. Kaso mas lalo akong nangulila sa family ko. Kasi 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas in 1 year. Tapos yung isang buwang bakasyon ko, 15 days pa doon pag-aasikaso ng dokumento. Okay, nag-OFW ako for 4 years lang. Kasi nakita ko yung panganay ko lumalaki nang hindi ako kasama. And every time talagang aalis ka, talagang iba yung iba yung feeling ng OFW. Kaya I salute and I honor those who are OFW right now. And especially those na talagang nakakita ng option to finally retire from being an OFW, go home to their family and stay for good. Okay? Shout out to Miss Mary Glenn kasi sabi niya nasa Pilipinas na siya ngayon, I believe that she's been an OFW and one of her dreams is to finally go home and stay with her family for good. Pero yung kita tuloy-tuloy pa rin. And through Live Good, that dream is starting to materialize already. All right. And then, after 4 years of being an OFW, nag-entrepreneur naman ako pag uwi ko. Kasi wala na akong makitang trabaho na papantay dun sa sweldo ko as OFW eh. As entrepreneur, yes, maganda kita dyan. And it's also true na yung hawak mo yung time mo, pwede kang magpahinga anytime. Pero yung flip side niyan, pwede ka rin magtrabaho anytime. In fact, as a business person, talagang nagde-deliver kami ng product at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. Kasi kailangan na yung nung client namin. So it's true, lucrative yung income dyan, pero kawawa naman yung health mo. Alright? Now, sa lahat ng pinaggagawa ko, hindi ko nakita yung liwanag na natutupad yung mga pangarap ko. Kasi malaki ako mangarap eh. Nung bata ako, ang taas ng mga pangarap ko eh. However, because of hardship, struggle sa buhay, talagang lumiit na ng lumiit hanggang sa wala na. Makakain na lang 3 beses ang araw, makapagpatapos na lang ng mga anak. Naging gano'n na lang yung pangarap ko. But through Live Good and seeing what's happening inside Live Good, talagang binuhay ko yung mga pangarap ko. Ngayon, I'm so excited that I come up with big dreams again, not only for myself, but for my family, for my church, and for my community. Kasi nakita ko sa Live Good, hindi lang pangarap ko yung matutupad. Matutupad din yung pangarap ng mga taong nasa paligid ko. Alright. Sorry about that. All right. So right now, because of that, I'm now a full-time affiliate coach, mentor, guide of Live Good. All right? But that's my story. Kasi kanya-kanya naman tayong storya sa buhay. That's my struggle before and now eto na ako ngayon. I'm doing Live Good and I'm seeing a brighter future for myself. However, iba yung storya nyo eh. But maybe you can relate to this. Baka ito kayo. Kasi this presentation is not for me. This presentation is actually for you. Alright? Ngayon, ito, baka makarelate kayo dito sa mga situation na to. You can be a single parent. Ang liit nung kinikita mo. Problemado ka na nga sa mga expenses mo. Ngayon, iniisip mo, paano po pag-aaralin yung mga anak mo? Diba? So if you're struggling with your finances, Live Good is for you. Or OFW ka, parang ako dati. At talagang every time you leave the country, talagang, wow, heartbroken ka. Alam nyo, sa airport talagang grabe. Ano yan? Masyadong madugo yung eksena dyan every time an OFW leaves the country. Kasi hindi lang naman siya yung nangungulila. Pati yung mga pamilyang iniwan niya rito, nangungulila rin sa kanya. Kaya malungkot talaga yan. Malungkot ang buhay ng isang OFW. Kaya kung meron kayong friend na OFW, talagang hangaan nyo siya. Alright? Or, pwede naman nag-i-start ka pa lang sa career mo. Eto ka, batang-bata ka, nag-start ka sa career mo, and then you realize you're overworked and underpaid. nakita mo na yung sweldo mo nung una mong natanggap, alam mo na hindi kaya kang buhayin, much more yung pamilya mo. Eh bata ka, gusto mo magkaroon ng significance sa mundo. Pamilya nga hindi mabuhay significance pa, di ba? Or you can be at your golden age already and you've gone through life already. Now you're worrying kasi you're either retired already or almost retiring. Saan ka ngayon kukuha ng panggastos mo? Kanino ka aasa? Sa government? Well, good luck. Di ba? Sa family? But remember, they would also have their own family. Di ba? Or much worse, baka umasa ka sa charity. Wag naman sana. Well, these are different struggles in life and you can be relating to any of these struggles. But if you are relating to any of these struggles, then I'm telling you that Live Good is for you. Because Live Good is the solution to all our struggles. Ayan nakita niyo yung pictures kanina, napaka mga miserable, di ba? Ito, if you do live good, ito na yung magiging mga pictures mo. Talagang kayo, magiging masaya kayo. You're going to be happy with your family. You're going to be happy with your children. Even when you're alone, you're going to enjoy life, the life that you really deserve. Okay? How is that possible? Kasi, binanggit ko na kanina, employment, OFW, even entrepreneurship, hindi magawa yan eh. Bakit si Live Good kayang gawin yan? Because Live Good offers you passive income for life. Yes, passive income for life. Just to give you an idea what passive income is, it is the sweetest form of income. Bakit? Kasi it's an income generated with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Meaning, napaka-konti ng participation mo or halos wala ka na talagang participation, yet income is coming in. Alright? Yan yung passive income and that's what Live Good is offering you. Kaya nakita nyo, any stage of life, any struggles in life, kayang masolusyonan ni Live Good. Alright? If you're new here, if you're a guest here, I want you to listen carefully to the presentation because this will definitely change your life. Okay, baka naman iniisip mo, well, Coach Mon, all companies are saying that. Sinasabi nila, tutupad sa pangarap mo, yayaman ka dito, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Lahat pinapangako yan eh. So what makes Live Good different? Okay? What makes Live Good different? Okay, I don't want to bash other company. I believe in our industry, talagang napakaganda ng industriya natin. However, it has been tarnished over the years. Okay? Wala akong binabash na company dito. I'm just telling you the truth. And just telling you the truth about the industry. Okay? So, what makes Live Good different? Unang-una dito, no overpriced products. Kasi sa ibang company talagang yung presyo ng produkto nila napakataas. Yung minamanufacture nila, they jack it up 10, 12 times. So let's say for example, yung pagka-manufacture nila ng isang product is only $10. Pagbenta nila niyan, $100, $120. Ganong kataas. Why? Kailangan nilang gawin yun eh kasi doon nila kukunin yung pambayad doon sa mga sweldo ng mga tao nila. Especially those who are on top of the compensation plan. Yung mga kumikita ng milyon-milyon, doon nila kukunin. Kaya talagang ginagawa nila yon. And that's what we call price gouging. Okay? Dito sa Live Good, all our products, healthy products, quality products, premium products, and they are all almost manufacturing price. Minanufacture, dinagdagan lang ng konti. Siyempre, may expenses pa rin, Dinagdagan lang ng konti and then binibenta na sa mga members. Ganon kababa yung presyo natin dito. Pero napakataas ng quality ng ating mga products. Alright? Dito, no huge cash out to join. In other companies, yung cash out, sasabihin yan at the end of the presentation. Bakit? Talagang i-hype ka muna, i-excite ka muna bago nila sabihin, okay, to join, kailangan mo 18,000 pesos or 60,000 pesos or even 100,000 pesos. Dito, hindi na po kailangan yung malaki. Bakit nga pala ganun sa ibang company? Kasi they're making you buy their products. They're making you buy volume of their products. Yung tinatawag nilang package pod, they call it starter package or distributor's package. Kung ano-ano tinatawag nila. But the fact is, they're selling you their products. Kasi nga kailangan nilang magkaroon ng income from their products so that they'll be able to pay their expenses. Okay, Dito sa Live Good, magkano to join? Sasabihin ko na ngayon kahit kasi simula pa lang natin. $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000. At ang maganda niyan, yung $40 dyan, one time lang. Isang beses mo lang babayaran. Habang buhay na yan. Okay? And then dito, no huge monthly auto ship requirement. Doon sa ibang company, kailangan mo bumili ng product worth 40,000, 45,000. O yung iba, medyo mabababa, 18,000 lang yung sisingilin sa'yo. However, kinukuha mo yon doon sa supposed ding kita mo na sana. Di ba? Dito, since one time yung $40, guess what? Yung monthly natin dito, $9.95. Magkano in peso yan? 580. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos sa isang araw, may sukli ka pang 20. Kulang na yan para sa Cornetto. Mag-isip ka na lang kung ano bibilin mo sa 20. Pero the thing is, 20 pesos a day savings is not hard for anybody. Diba? 3,000 investment is not hard for a lot of people. Pero yung 40,000, 60,000, mabigat yan. Kaya dito, mas marami kang maiingganyong sumali. Mas maraming buhay yung mababago mo when you do Live Good. Okay? Ito maganda, no rank ups based on volume. Again, nandun tayo parati dun sa sa product selling. They have to sell their products. Ngayon, what they do in order for their distributors to sell more, i-base nila yung pag-rank up dun sa kanilang volume ng product sales nila. Dito hindi po natin ginagawa yan. Sa sobrang dali mag-rank up dito, 36% rank up on their first week. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Money back na po sila on their first week. Now, if you are a guest, if you're a guest here and you're contemplating on whether joining Live Good or not, maybe this can help you. If you join tonight, most likely by next week, kayang-kaya mong mabalik kung ano man yung ilalabas mo, which is only $49.95. Alright? Dito nga pala, we're not obliged to buy products. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda ng products, talagang bibili at bibili ka. Therefore, since hindi tayo obliged bumili ng products, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng isang kwartong punong-puno ng produkto, di ba? Na hindi ngayon natin sila kailangan ibenta. So here, we don't have selling. We don't have quotas. Okay? You buy what you want and when you want. That's it. Kung ano kailangan mo, yun ang bilhin mo. Kung kailan mo gusto bumili, doon ka bumili. Alright? And then here, no back to zero. Ano yung back to zero? Yan yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor sa ibang companies. Kasi sa kanila, alam nila pag nagpalit na yung buwan, lahat ng tinrabaho nila for the month, wala. Forget about it. Kasi they have to start from scratch. Yun nga tinatawag namin back to zero. So, here, you get paid for all your efforts. Lahat ng successful efforts mo dito, babayaran ka ni Live Good. Alright? Ang key lang talaga dito is for you to keep your subscription, which is $9.95 a month. Yun nga, yung 20 pesos. Siguraduhin mo lang na araw-araw nagsusubi ka ng 20 pesos, good ka na. Alright? Now, that's the reason sa ganda ng Live Good, ang dami pong nagtitiwala. Because now, we started last December. We've been in the market. We've been in the market for only 11 months. Pero ngayon po, we are over 850,000 members worldwide. And here in the Philippines, nagsimula tayo, aapat lang sila pala. Nagsimula sila, aapat lang sila in January. So 10 months pa lang tayo. Pero dito po sa Philippines, we're over 130,000 members na. Ganun po kabilis lumaki ang Live Good. Very phenomenal yung growth nila. Why? Because this is something so great, so good, na talagang everybody wants to be part of. Alright? Now, to further explain what Live Good is and why Live Good is best for you, I want you to listen to this video by our CEO, Ben Glinsky himself. Yes, napaka hands-on po ng CEO natin. Siya mismo talagang sila yung mga corporate team natin, sila talaga yung humaharap sa mga Zoom meetings, nagko-conduct ng trainings. And there, this is actually a video that you would find in your in your landing page, a website that will be given to you when you become a member. Okay, so you don't need to record this. You don't need to have to ask for a copy of this, because once you become a member, magkakaroon po kayo ng copy nito. All right? The question nga is, are you ready for a revolution? Kasi Live Good is revolutionizing the industry. Pinapalitan niya na talaga lahat. Yung mga old ways, yung mga pahirap sa mga distributors, pinagtatanggal na po niya yan. All right? Now, it's up to you whether you're going to join us in this revolution or you're just going to stick around and watch. Pero if I were you, I'm going to join. All right? So, eto pa, panoorin natin so that mas malinaw yung magiging explanation ng ating CEO about Live Good. Let me just play this video.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. Yan yung revolution na sinasabi ko because Live Good has completely revolutionized the industry. Ngayon po, Live Good is not anymore, tapos na yung product-centered business model. Now, the reason why we can do that is because we went into the membership club business model. All right? Now, before I continue, I've been receiving some messages na mahina daw yung audio. Can somebody confirm if I'm being heard loud and clear? Loud and clear po ba tayo? Kasi okay naman yung natin, yung setting ko. So those na nagsasabing mahina yung audio, pa-check po yung inyong computer. Most likely sa computer niyo yung difference. Okay, so let's continue. So we are in a revolution. We are revolutionizing the industry and Live Good. Nakita nyo naman, pinag-aralan po lahat. Buying habits, trends, lahat pinag-aralan. And that's how they come up with that. Now, yun nga, sinabi ko we are a membership club business model. Pero kakaiba si Live Good kasi Live Good is the membership club that pays. Okay? So kung hindi ka familiar sa membership club, let me just give you some of the most popular membership club out there. Okay, we have Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime po, ang binibigay lang niyan access. Access dun sa kanilang members dun sa online store nila so that they would be able to buy their products at wholesale price. Magkano sinisingil nila? $14.99 monthly or $139 per year. Diba? Pero ang laki niyan, they have 161 million members worldwide. Okay, si Netflix naman, ang ino-offer niya, yung unlimited watching of shows and movies. Right? Pwede kang mag-binge watch dyan ng telenovela mo. Pero hindi po libre yan kasi we pay $9.99 or $15.49 or $19.99 depende dun sa pinili mong package. Di ba? And that's monthly. Try not to pay for 1 month, tatanggalin yung access mo. Right? And they have 232 million members. Si Sam's Club, parang rin yan, discount club din yan, $100 per year na lang. Naman, that's 47, they have 47 million members. Si Costco, actually, if I can compare Live Good with any of the membership clubs, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. Kasi si Costco, ang binibigay niya dun sa kanyang although this is a more of a physical store, ang binibigay niya dun sa members niya is access to their store. Pagpasok nung members niya sa store, doon sila makakabili ng mga wholesale price items. Diba? So, si Live Good ganun din. If you become a member of Live Good will give you access to the online store whereby andun lahat yung mga health products, yung sinabi ko kaninang premium health products na pwede mong bilhin at almost manufacturing price. Yan yung value na matatanggap mo for paying your subscription of $9.95. We're going to talk more about value. Okay, Disney is pretty much the same like Netflix. Ang singilan naman yan, $10.99 monthly and $109.99. Meron siyang 42 million members. As you can see, yung tao ngayon are really looking for club membership kasi alam nila doon sila nakakatipid. 'Di ba? May value yung pagiging member nila. They receive value for being a member of any of this club. Kaya continuously, nagbabayad din sila ng subscription. And that's what's going to happen to Live Good. In fact, nangyayari na po. Imagine, 850,000 paid members, continuously paying members kay Live Good kasi nakita nila yung value that they're getting from paying their subscription. Okay, baka naman maliitin mo to. Ang liliit kasi nung sinisingil. Imagine si Live Good, $9.95 lang, $9.99 lang to si Netflix. Paano naman kikita yan mga yan? Sa dami po ng members nila. Alright? So tignan natin. Actually, membership club is $1 billion industry. Subscription is $1 billion industry. Ayan, pinakamalapit na siguro si Zoom. Kasi si Zoom, this is also subscription. And we pay monthly for this. Okay, in fact, if I'm not mistaken, yung 100 participant nasa $14 a month. Pero ito, 1,000 participants to, so definitely mas malaki to. Alright? Ang kinita po ni Zoom sa isang taon is $4.46 billion. Isang taon pa lang po yun. Okay, ang tanong, si Zoom ba nagbigay sa'yo as a subscriber, binigyan ka na ba ni Zoom kahit $1 man lang? Hindi pa po. Alright? Si Netflix with 238 million subscribers kumita ng $31.6 billion annual revenue. Ganyan po kalaki ang kitaan dito sa mga membership club, sa mga subscription company. Si Costco, yung sinabi ko kanina, ang kinita niyan $4.2 billion dun sa subscription pa lang, dun sa membership fee pa lang na sinisingan niya sa kanilang mga members. Kasi ang dami na nilang members, 123 million subscribers. As you can see, the reason I'm showing you this is to show you that we belong to $1 billion industry. And ganyan po kalaki ang kitaan sa subscription tsaka sa membership club. Pero I'm telling you, Live Good is just starting. Kasi I believe that Live Good will be much more bigger than any of these companies. Bakit? Kasi nga itong mga companies na to, hindi nagbabayad ng kahit singkong duleng sa kanilang mga members. Okay? However, Live Good is a membership club that pays. You can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes, totoo po yun. Pwede kang kumita dito by being a member lang. Pero I'm not encouraging that kasi Live Good is a blessing that you have received. And I believe that when you receive a good blessing, a big blessing, it's your obligation to share it to as many as you can. So wag nating sarilinin yung blessing na Live Good. I-share natin sa maraming tao. However, kung talagang hindi kayo makapag-share, don't worry. Kasi kikita pa rin kayo dito. Maya makikita nyo. Alright? So Live Good was launched December 13, 2022 with exclusive buyers membership club business model nga. And our office is in Jupiter Park Drive, Jupiter, Florida, USA. So if you're looking for legalities of Live Good, wag dito kayo sa Pilipinas maghanap. Wag kayo magtanong sa SEC. Kasi ang SEC po, ang nire-regulate niya lang yung mga local companies or local corporations here in the Philippines. If you want to look for documents for Live Good, maghanap po kayo sa state of Florida. In fact, I did my research and I found this. Ayan po, State of Florida, certified the records of this office, Live Good Supplements Inc. is a corporation organized under the law of the state of Florida. So talagang Legit po, registered, and current. Current yung kanyang pagbabayad ng kanyang mga registration. In fact, we're paid for the year 2023, and I believe, and I don't just believe, I'm sure that comes April 2024, babayaran din ni Ben Glinsky yan. Alright? So dun po, you could actually search it in Google, corporation in the state of Florida, and search nyo si LiveGood, makikita nyo yung mga different documentations that you would be looking for. Alright? So who are the people? Who are the people behind LiveGood? Sino yan nakaisip ng magandang konsepto na yan? Ito po. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky. What we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. Yes, makikita mo po talagang very on hand tong taon to. His focus is on helping others, which is another. Makikita mo talaga the way he speaks, the way he talks, tsaka yung mga sinasabi niya, makikita mo talaga na ang talagang mission niya is to help others. And that's the only reason that LiveGood was created. Just to give you some trivia, retired na to si Ben eh. However, nung nakita niya the timing is perfect and we have to change the industry, it's time to make the small people win. Tayo yon, the little guys. It's time for us to win. Kaya bumalik siya. And he started LiveGood. Now, Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows how to help people win. At yan po, pag narinig nyo nagsasalita yung si Ben, talagang mararamdaman mo na yun talaga yung pinaka-mission niya, to help people win. Okay, so what he did, he formed a group of talagang champions in their industries, and they come up with LiveGood. Okay, unang-una ito, si Dr. Ryan Goodkin, Director of Product Development. Dr. Ryan Goodkin has a doctorate of pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. Talagang he knows what he's doing. At ang maganda dito kay Doc Ryan, sinabi niya mismo, I don't create products to sell. I create products to use and for my family to use, which is very advantageous for us. Kasi we know for a fact that every time we take in LiveGood products, hindi lang siya premium quality, very safe pa siya. Kasi wala pong taong magbibigay sa kanyang pamilya at sa kanyang sarili na ikaka-harm nila. Right? And then Lisa Goodkin, the wife, she's the Director of Product Education naman. Ito po, just to give you an idea, si Lisa Goodkin, she is the living example of what health is. Talagang, she teaches health, not only she teaches health, she practices it. Yung kinakain niya, she watch over it. Yung exercise niya, sleeping habits niya. And ang advantage naman sa atin ito, the way she teaches, hindi niya lang ituturo yung about our products, pati po yan, pati yung how to be healthy. Kasi sa kanya galing yung lifespan and health span. Sabi niya, hindi lang tayo kailangan mabuhay ng mahaba. Kailangan habang tumatanda tayo, nakikip natin yung good health natin. And that's her mission, to make people healthy. All right? And Nader Kazan naman is our Director of Network Marketing. He's been in the industry for more than 30 years, I believe. Kasi 1998 pa lang, he's already training leaders in the industry. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in the industry. And when they come up with LiveGood, tinanggal niya na po yung bad, yung ugly, tsaka yung disgusting, and yung good lalo pa niyang in-enhance. Okay, nakita niya na pag product-centered talaga yung companies, hindi kikita ang karamihan, only 1% talaga yung kikita ng malaki. Okay, that's the reason why he said the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Okay, now as you can see, these people are leaders in their own field. At pinagsama-sama po yan at magkakasama silang lahat sa LiveGood. Because true leadership creates true success. Okay? I want to check the mission of LiveGood. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Did you hear that? Kasi yung ibang company, pag tinanong mo, ano vision mo? To be the number one in the direct selling space, to be the number one in the nutritional space. Masyadong company-centered. Di ba? Dito, hindi. people-centered, member-centered, which is good for us kasi alam natin na tayo ang iniisip ng ating mga corporate team because the mission itself states that their mission is to help people. And I call that change. And it's time to make a change. Okay? Now, may idea na kayo na Live Good is a membership club. Tapos when you become a member, you'll have access to the online shop whereby dun sa online shop, andun lahat yung mga health products natin which you can buy at member's price. Right? Now, bakit health products? Kasi sinabi ko nga, pinag-aralan talaga lahat. Trends, lahat ng kailangan ng tao and they realize that the world is in need to be healthy. Kaya nagsisimula tayo sa health products. However, parami lang po ng paramihan. Padagdag lang ng padagdag yan. In fact, almost every month, meron na dadagdag na produkto sa ating portfolio. But let me tell you about our products. Our products are really premium quality products. Okay? Ayan po yung ating mga products. Yun yung picture niya. Yan naman yung mga logos ng mga nagsacertify ng ating mga products. Okay, talagang napakaganda ng products natin. Don't take my word for it. Hanapin niyo po yung mga logo na yan sa Google and you yourself would be able to determine na talagang good quality yung products natin. Alright? We have over 20 premium quality life-changing health products. Yes, life-changing po talaga kasi mababago yung health mo mababago yung buhay mo. Okay, another trivia, no? Just to give you an idea. Yung katawan po natin is capable of healing ourselves. Subukan nyo pong sugatan yung sarili nyo. Huwag nyong gamutin, basta make sure na malinis siya. Mag-heal at mag-heal siya. Yan po yung isang capacity ng katawan natin na binigay sa atin ng Diyos. Okay, however, because of depleted nutrition, pabaya sa katawan, hindi na po nagpa-function ng ganong kaganda yung ating mga katawan. Kaya most of the time, people get sick. And when people get sick, they cannot recover. Their body cannot recover. Okay? I'm telling you this kasi baka may expectation kayo na yung mga products natin, mga gamot. Hindi po. Yung products natin are supplements. And these supplements, what it does, to our body, binabalik yung katawan natin at optimal state. Ang pinaka nagpapagaling sa atin ay ang sarili nating katawan. Pinapalakas lang po nitong mga kailangan nating supplements para bumalik yung ating healing capacity. Alright? So, again, back to our products. We have over 20 premium quality life-changing health products. Raw ingredients from the most pristine location in the planet. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Kung saan po magandang tumubo, doon natin hina-harvest yung ating mga raw ingredients. So raw ingredients pa lang po, quality na. Alright, world-class manufacturing facilities. Again, quality na naman po. All made in USA. Again, pag meron pong nakalagay diyang made in USA, we are sure, kasi napaka-strict talaga ng regulatory bodies ng US, we are definite na of quality yung products natin. Ito pinakamalupit, approved by GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. If you research about this, talagang napakataas ng standard niya bago siya mag-approve ng mga products. Yet all our products are approved by GMP. We're lab tested for purity and potency. Yes, talagang wala pong hinahalo sa ating products that would harm our body, and our products are really of premium quality talaga. To prove that, we are giving certificate of analysis of all our products. Okay? From what I've heard, yung mga doctors, ito po yung hinahanap, certificate of analysis. So if you want, you can download the certificate of analysis of some of our products. Itanong nyo sa doktor nyo kung pwede nyong inumin. And I'm sure, if your doctor is really honest, sasabihin nila, uy, maganda to . Alright? And we are available in over 200 countries. I'm not saying that we have warehouses in all these countries. What I'm saying is, naka-drop shipping po kasi tayo, drop shipping style. Meaning, when you order online and pay for your orders, automatic ipapack yan. Once they're packed, automatic isi-ship na yan. And we have a very reliable shipping partner. Pag sa Philippines po, ang nagde-deliver is DHL. Napaka-reliable po niyan. In other countries, yung iba DHL pa rin, yung iba USPS. Again, very reliable courier services. In fact, meron po kami mga products, nakakailang shipment na kami and wala naman pong nawawalang mga products. What we're just saying is we are available to ship in over 200 countries worldwide. All right? Just to show you ano ba yung certificate of analysis. Yan po yung example ng ating certificate of analysis. And each of our products have one kind. And third party po to. Third party yung nagko-conduct nito. Talagang no bias. And ipapakita dito kung ano yung laman, ano yung kung maganda siya sa katawan and whatnot. Alright? And we're open to that. Kasi yung iba talagang tinatago to eh. Kasi yung produkto nila, kinanaw lang sa likod bakuran, nilagay sa magandang container, nilagyan ng label, binenta ng mahal. Dito po talagang yung products natin, ang nag-aral po, Doctor of Pharmacy, may doctorate degree. Alright? So to continue, and finally, ito yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. Napakaganda ng quality ng mga products natin, pero yung presyo niya, almost manufacturing price. Because at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Alright? Now, totoo po yan. You can, mamaya papakita ko kayo ng price comparison with other brands and you will see how we differ in terms of prices. Talagang you can save up to 75%. Kung user din kayo ng mga similar products, pag nag-shift kayo sa Live Good, ang laki na magiging savings nyo. Okay, because Live Good is not about overpriced product but about saving people money on health products. Kasi po nakita nila, importante talagang maging healthy. But most people are setting it aside. Kasi nga, ang dami nilang gastusin eh. Tsaka nung time before Live Good, yung mga health products, napakamamahal. So instead of buying vitamins that would cost them like $100, $50, they would rather save the money and pay for their bills. Okay, ngayon po, sa baba ng presyo natin, kaya na nating pagsabayin yan. Actually, people can pay for their bills and then buy their supplements for them to be healthy. Alright? Now, if you're wondering, bakit ba ako overpriced products ang overpriced products? Kasi po, traditionally, yun talaga yung practice sa ating industriya. Yung ibang companies, talagang pinapatong nila yung malaking kita doon sa mga produkto nila para mabayaran nila yung mga distributors nila that they are paying 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Yes, doon sa products po nila kinukuha yon. And to make sure that their products move, talagang pinipilit nila yung mga distributors nila bumili ng products nila. Okay, again, I'm not bashing any other companies. What I'm really, what we want to put a stop to is yung traditional way, the price gouging way. Yung pagdagdag ng excessive markup dun sa product so that few people can get rich. Okay? Tigil na po natin yung price gouging na yan. As you can see in the illustration, that's David and Goliath. Yung si David, si Live Good, kasi bata pa tayo, maliit pa yung company. And Goliath, yan yung mga giant of the industry who are practicing price gouging. We want to put an end to that. That's the reason why we come up with products that talagang of high quality yet very, very affordable. Kasi nga, sabi ni Nodar Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. And it's true. Because of price gouging, iilan lang po talaga ang namamayagpag dun sa ibang companies. If you would notice, only 1% really make money. I mean, yung mga sumisweldo ng 1 million, 2 million a month, iilan lang po yan. At karamihan, 93%, 97%, 95%, it's either bumabawi lang, nakakabawi lang, or lugi pa. Actually, mas marami yung lugi pa. Kaya nga ang dami ng ang dami nang nagsasabing napaso na ako sa MLM eh. Well, if you're one of those people who tried MLM and that napaso ka na before, this is it. This is your comeback because Live Good is totally different. And dito ka babawi. In fact, ang dami po nating members na dito bumawi at ngayon talagang sila yung mga namamayagpag sa ating company. Alright? Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Around 36% rank up on the first week. And here, kung yung statistics na only 3% earns, dito 30% earns money. Ganun po kalaki yung diferensya nito. And talagang parami pa ng parami yung talagang nakakakita ng value ng pag-share ng Live Good. Kaya parami rin ng parami yung kumikita dito sa Live Good. Alright? So let me show you some of our products. Ito, I'm just going to show you some of my favorite products. Pero bukod dito talagang I'm taking other products. Ito si Super Reds. Super Reds is a cardiovascular product. It's good for our blood flow. Kasi importante po yung blood flow. If our blood flow is at its optimum state, lahat po ng nutrients and oxygen madideliver yan to every cell in our body. Ngayon, ang magiging effect niyan, lalakas at lalakas po yung mga cells nila. Okay? Lalakas at lalakas yung pag-perform nila. Alright? Kasi isa pang maganda dito sa ating Super Reds is yung nitric oxide. Very important nutrients in our body pero as we age talagang nagdi-deplete yan. Okay, just to give you an idea, mami ko po is using Super Reds. And one of her experience, yung tuhod niyang nananakit parate when she started using Super Reds, nawala na po yung kirot. Okay, that only means na kulang lang sa nutrients or yung kulang lang sa nutrition yung mga cells doon. Kulang lang sila sa oxygen. And since vasodilator to, pinaganda yung blood flow niya, na-deliver yung nutrients and oxygen doon sa part na yon, nawala na po yung pains and nawawala na rin yung pamamaga. Okay? O price comparison tayo. Pinakamalapit na products sa market dyan, yung Organifi Red Juice tsaka Super Beets. Magkano sila? $39.95. $69.99. Sa atin, pag retail mo kinuha, napakababa pa rin, $24. But if you're a member, you only need to pay $18. Okay, that's the value you get as a member of Live Good. Then, collagen. Si collagen po natin, we know very well that collagen is one of the talagang kailangan na nutrients sa loob ng katawan natin. However, it's pretty much like nitric oxide, nagdi-deplete din yan as we age. Okay, ang maganda naman sa collagen, pampabata po yan, pampaganda ng skin, pampaganda ng mga pampaganda, pampalakas ng bones, pati muscles natin. It would retain our youthful glow. Alright? Ang maganda doon sa collagen natin, kasi yung ibang collagens, collagen lang talagang laman. But our genius product formulator, Ryan Goodkin, dinagdagan pa niya ng Velocitol, Polynol, and Aspress Flex. Ngayon, yung tatlong product na yan, they complement even more kung ano yung ginagawa ng collagen sa katawan natin. Kaya talagang, this can be the best product there is, the best collagen product there is in the market. Okay, compare natin sa ibang brand. Ibang brand, $79.96, $69.95. If you buy our collagen at retail price, it's only $34.95. Napakababa. But if you're a member, you only need to pay $27.95. Mas mababa. Yan yung value na matatanggap mo when you become a member. And then another of my favorite is Factor 4. Ito po anti-inflammatory naman. Just to give you another trivia, most ng diseases ng tao is nag-originate yan sa inflammation. Chronic inflammation. Mamamaga, hindi ma-address hanggang sa maging sakit na. And halos lahat po ng sakit ng katawan natin is because of inflammation. Ang maganda nito, itong Factor 4, complete ingredient, anti-inflammatory ingredients po. Talagang pinagsama-sama niya. And if you'll only make your research kung ano tong mga ingredients na to, stand-alone po, kaya na nilang anti-inflammatory. Imagine pinagsama-sama pa sa isang produkto. Ganyan po kaganda yung ating factor 4. Alright? And just comparing the prices sa ibang companies po, sa ibang brands, it's already $58.42, $56. Sa atin at retail price $24.95. Pag member ka, $18.50. Alright? Now these are my three favorite products, but I'm still taking other products as well. But I'm suggesting you to really go and use the products kasi talagang makakaganda po sa katawan natin. In fact, we have other products and all the information about our products is available in livegood.com. I suggest you go to that website, click on the products, tapos may learn more button doon, pindutin nyo yon, makikita nyo lahat ng tungkol dun sa products na yon. Alright? Now, as you see, meron tayong members price, meron tayong retails price. Kasi, we can also sell our products doon sa mga ayaw naman mag-member. And even if they're not a member, they'll still be able to get the product at a very low price compared to other brand. However, ang value nga ng mga member is sila lang yung may access doon sa members price na mas mababa compared sa retail price. So how do you become a member? Simple lang po. You pay $9.95 subscription monthly, or kung gusto mo makatipid, you pay $99.95 for 1 year. Makakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. And as Live Good member, you'll save up to 75% compared to products in other direct selling companies. Alright? So as member, ang makukuha mo po, ang value na makukuha mo is savings. And it's already very good kasi it's already considered as income because $1 saved is $1 earned. Right? However, don't be satisfied with savings. The question here now is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag nyo kalimutan yung or more, tsaka yung per month. Alright? Ngayon, kung gusto nyo, kung interesado kayo, kung excited kayo marinig, because I'm done with my first part. Ito na po, we're going to talk about the earning potential naman here in Live Good. Let me just drink some of my water. Alright. So, are we ready? Are we ready to listen? Sige nga, ready na po ba kayo makinig? Andyan pa po ba sila? Hello? Is everybody ready to listen on how to earn in... Yes, Riz, thank you. How to earn and live good. Ayan, Riz silang... Okay, ayan, dumami, dami. Alright. So, as you can see, everybody is really eager to learn how to earn from Live Good. Kasi nga, Live Good is completely revolutionizing the industry. And I'm going to show you now that to earn and Live Good, so simple lang. Okay? But, ito mind you, don't equate simple with easy. Simple, madali siyang gawin. Pero it's not easy kasi talagang you'll put work in it as well. Alright? Now, to be able to do that, to be able to earn and live good, you have to become an affiliate member. You have to enter into the affiliate program of Live Good. Because as Live Good affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Okay, tanong nyo ngayon, ano ba yung affiliate member? Paano ba yung affiliate membership na yan? Paano ba yung affiliate program na yan? Simple lang po. Kasi si Live Good as direct selling, they don't advertise. They don't advertise on TV, radio, magazine, billboards, not even in the internet. However, since company sila, kailangan malaman sila ng maraming tao. That's where affiliate comes in. Tayo yung magiging referring partner ni Live Good. Tayo yung magre-refer kay Live Good sa mga friends natin, kaibigan natin, kamag-anak natin, ka-church natin, ka-work natin, ka-school natin, lahat ng mga pati hindi natin kakilala, i-refer natin si Live Good. Alright? Kasi nga, again, I'm telling you, when you receive something, a great blessing in your life, it is your obligation to share it to as many as you can. Alright? So, ganyan po yung affiliate marketing or affiliate program. unang-una, mag-join ka. Siyempre, hindi ka pwedeng kumita kung hindi ka joined as an affiliate member. So you have to join. How do you join, ma'am? Kanina sinabi ko, you pay $49.95, di ba? And then, when you're already an affiliate member, you start promoting. How do you promote? Kwento-kwento lang po. Ikwento nyo lang kung ano yung value na na-receive nyo. No explanation. In fact, i-invite nyo dito sa Zoom meeting, kami ang mag-i-explain para sa kanila. Okay? And then every successful referral you make, you earn. Ang maganda nito, every successful referral your referral makes, you earn. Okay? So it's as simple as that. You join, you promote, you earn. Okay? So how do you become an affiliate member? Again, simple lang po ulit. May nag-invite sa inyo dito, may nagbigay sa inyo ng Zoom link na to. You go back to that person kasi sila merong sponsors link. Doon sa sponsors link nila, mag-register kayo with your name and email. Okay, that would reserve your position. And then if ready na kayo, you pay a one-time fee of $40 plus your first month subscription of $9.95. Diyan po galing yung $49.95 to join Live Good. Alright? Now, if you after that, since one time lang yung $40, the following month, ang babayaran nyo na lang is the $9.95 subscription. In fact, kung gusto nyo makatipid, bayaran nyo yung buong taon, $99.95 lang. Nakatipid kayo ng 2 buwan. Alright? So, by the way, usually ang tanong dyan, paano naman magbabayad? Do I give my payment to you? Hindi po. Alright? There are different ways to pay. Online tayo lahat. So, pwedeng credit card. If you have credit card, pwede yan. Debit card, pwede rin yan. So long as it's Visa or MasterCard. Pwede rin actually yung mga virtual card like GoTime, Toink, Maya. Yan, yung mga yan. Pwede rin po yan. Ang kailangan lang natin talaga is to apply for those cards and pwede na po. Now, if wala kayong card but you're familiar with cryptocurrency naman, pwede rin po. Okay, clarification. We're not investing in crypto. We're just using cryptocurrency for payment. Okay, that's another option to pay. Pwede rin po yan. But if you're not familiar with crypto, I highly suggest you not to do it. Kasi very delikado. Delikado yung pagki-crypto. Baka maloko lang kayo. Okay? Now, kung meron kayong kilala na marunong, baka pwede kayong magpatulong. Now, just in case po na talagang wala kayong card, wala kayong debit card, ayaw nyo mag-apply ng virtual card, at wala kayong alam sa crypto, you go back to your sponsor or the person who invited you here. Kasi meron pa pong other way. Yung through credit wallet na tinatawag namin. Okay? Siya na po yung mag-i-explain sa inyo niyan. This is not madali naman po yon. Pero, dun po sa mga magjo-join through crypto or credit wallet, I highly recommend before the month ends, the moment you join the following day, paraanan nyo na po magkaroon ng card at ipasok nyo na po sa system yung card nyo. Para yung monthly subscription nyo, hindi nyo na po problemahin. Alright? So the question now is, what do you get out of your $49.95? Number one, you get an access to the Live Good Membership Club. Kasi nga, nagbayad ka ng $9.95 subscription. Ano yung access mo doon? Yung access doon sa high-quality premium health products at a very affordable price. Ayun na, pasok na yung mga members price, makukuha mo na sila. And then you get digital marketing product tools and trainings. Kasi nga, pumasok ka ng affiliate program, Live Good knows na you're going to promote them to many people. So, i-equip ka niya. Bibigyan ka niya ng mga websites. Alright? Pati yung mga training. Ito, isa sa mga available tools to na pwede mong i-abuse. Magdala lang kayo rito, kami mag-i-explain, kami magko-close. Pero yung account sa'yo. Alright? And then you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, as I would personally, the way I would describe this, the most generous compensation plan in the industry. Alright? So just to show you ano yung mga digital products natin, ito. You actually have, when we started, we only had 3 websites. Ito po yung 3. Yung business site namin, Diyan po natin makikita yung mga movement dun sa business kasi nga sabi ko, di ba, magre-refer kayo ng tao. So diyan mo makikita ilan na yung mga successful na refer mo. And when they do the business, makikita mo rin diyan ilan yung mga na-refer mo. Tsaka yung na-refer mo. Importante yan kasi kikita ka pa rin sa kanila. Alright, dito mo rin makikita yung mga earnings mo. But don't worry, this is username and password protected. Just make sure na talagang secured yung username and password mo at wag mong kakalimutan. Wag mong ibigay sa kahit kanino. Alright, etong nasa kanan naman, yung kulay orange yung taas, that's, by the way, lahat ng website natin personalized sa'yo ha, may pangalan mo yan. Ito naman po, ito yung tinatawag naming landing page. Diyan naman po, ang bubungad sa kanila dyan, yung video na napanood nyo kanina, yung kay Ben Glinsky. Convincing them, not really convincing them, but informing them of what LiveGood is and why should they join LiveGood. Alright? And then dito rin po kayo magre-register. Dito rin sila magre-register with their name, first name, last name, and email. That way, they can reserve their position. And when they click on the reserve their position, pwede na po silang magbayad. Alright, ito po yung powerful na landing page natin kasi ang dami pong sumasali just using this alone. Alright, and then the LiveGood shop. Ano naman yung online shop na yan? Para siyang Shopee at Lazada na ang naka-feature lang is yung mga LiveGood products. Okay, again may pangalan mo to, no? Ito naman ipapadala mo dun sa mga ayaw mag-members pero gusto yung products. Because they're going to buy their products at retail price. Mga presyong makikita dito sa shop, mga retail prices. The moment they buy from your shop, meron pa rin po kayong earnings doon. Okay? Sabi ko kanina, before, 3 pa lang yung website. Ngayon po, nagdagdag na sila ng 2. And I believe there's an upcoming one, another one, yung ating magnesium. Pero ito mga product naman, mga products website. Okay, ganun din po, personalized din po sa inyo. And you can use all these tools, just send them to as many as you can para mapalaki nyo yung inyong organization. Alright? So now, eto na, exciting part. How to make money in subscription. Diba? Totoo ba yan? Meron ba talagang kitaan sa subscription? Well, yes. Okay, just to give you an idea, to make money in subscription, you have to understand and remember 2 structures. Yung una po, yung unilevel structure, and then the other one is a forced matrix structure. Bakit importante itong dalawang to? Kasi yan po yung gagamiting structure para i-compute yung ating compensation. Alright? Unahin natin yung unilevel. Ano yung unilevel? Di ba sabi ko, as an affiliate member, magre-refer ka ng tao. So lahat ngayon ng directly ma-refer mo dun sa program, meaning ikaw, nagbayad ka ng $49.95. Kung sino man yung ma-refer mo na magbabayad din ng $49.95, they would be on your level 1. Now, if you teach these people to do the same, so they would refer other people, yung mga friends nila, mga hindi mo nakilala yan kasi mga kaibigan na nila, di ba? They would fall in your level 2. And then yung ma-refer nung na-refer mo, that would be your level 3. And so on and so forth hanggang umabot ka ng level 10. Bakit? Because you would be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Yan po ang kagandahan ng LiveGood. You'll not only be paid according to your own effort, even dun sa effort ng mga nasa organization mo, mababayaran ka pa rin. We call that leverage. Kaya darating talaga yung point dito that you would be receiving passive income na. Okay? At ang maganda nito, infinite wide yan. Meaning unlimited yung pwede mong i-direct refer dito sa LiveGood. The other structure is the force matrix structure. Kasi po, ganito, the moment you become an affiliate member, you would belong to a big matrix and you would have a matrix of your own. Paano ibig ko sabihin yan? Ito, yung matrix na yan, yung nasa taas, ikaw yan. Okay? And then, by the way, this matrix is system assigned yan. System ang maglalagay ng tao sa ilalim mo. Hindi ikaw ang mamimili kung sino ilalagay mo sa kanan tsaka sino ilalagay mo sa kaliwa. Alright? Anyway, it's system assigned and ang gagawin lang ni system, magkakabit lang ng 2 tao sa isang tao. Kada isang tao, kakabitan niya lang ng 2. Alright? So let's say for example, nag-refer ka ng more than 2. Let's say 6 people. Okay? Eh, 2 lang yung ikakabit ni system sa'yo. Saan ngayon ikakabit yung 4? Doon sa 2 nasa ilalim mo. Okay? So tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Kakabitan lang ng kakabitan niyang system yan. So it's going to be a power of 2 since dalawa lang ang nakakabit, di ba? Una ikaw, and then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Up to 15 levels deep. Okay? Bakit? Kasi babayaran ka up to 15 levels depending on your rank. By the way, this has nothing to do with pyramiding or binary. Ganyan lang po talaga ang structure niyan. Triangular shape. Kasi imagine mo, ikaw kakabitan ng 2, yung 2 kakabitan ng tagalawa, and then tagalawan, magmumukhang triangle siya talaga. Okay, why are these structures important? Because we have 7 ways to earn here in Live Good. And sabi ko nga kanina, ito yung gagamitin para i-compute yung ating mga compensation. So we have weekly fast start and then the retail commission where we would use the uni-level structure. We have the matrix commission which is being paid monthly. Ang gagamitin naman dyan yung matrix. Okay? And then in the middle, tayong matching bonus kasi hybrid yan eh. I-combine yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix so that we would be able to compute for the matching bonuses. Okay, we also have other ways of earning like influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Isa-isahin natin sila. All right. The weekly fast start bonus level, 10 levels deep. Kaya siya weekly kasi weekly nire-release yan. Yan yung pinaka yan yung pinaka quick money. Quick money na tinatawag namin. Kasi nga trabahuhin mo ngayon the following Thursday, matatanggap mo na. All right. So ano ibig sabihin niyan? Every successful referral you make here in Live Good, you get $25. So ano yan? So ikaw, di ba? If you become an affiliate, you'll pay for your $49.95. And then you start referring people. Every successful referral na magagawa mo, bibigyan ka ng $25. What does that mean? Makakuha ka lang ng 2. You would receive $50. Meaning bumalik na yung $49.95 mo just by referring 2 people. And this is going to be paid to you weekly. Kaya dito talagang nakakabawi yung mga tao on just their first week. Okay? So weekly fast start are for those who share Live Good. If you're not going to share Live Good kasi nga this is going to be based on the successful referral you make, then you would not receive weekly fast start commission. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Pero ang maganda nito, when you refer Live Good to others, you can get unlimited for every successful enrollee who pays $49.95. Kasi nga infinite wide tayo. You can refer as many people as you can, as you want. Kung gusto mong 10, 100, 1,000, bahala ka. Sky's the limit. Ang maganda nito, every successful referral, may $25 kang weekly fast start bonus. Eh ano naman yung 10 levels deep? Yung 10 levels deep po, that applies for those who rank up. Okay? So paano ba mag-rank up? Mamaya po, uuliratin natin yan. Pero let's just start. When you join here, you're unranked kasi wala ka pang nare-refer kahit isa. Or even if maka-refer ka ng isa, you're still considered unranked. Paano ka magiging bronze? Mag-refer ka lang ng 2. And when you're a bronze already, you get to enjoy level 2. Sino yung level 2? Yun yung nirefer nung nirefer mo. Alright? Si silver gets to enjoy up to level 3 and 4. Sino yon? Yung nirefer nung nirefer mo. Alright? So yung mga yan hindi mo nakilala. Si gold up to levels 5 and 6, si platinum up to levels 7 and 8, si diamond up to levels 9 and 10. So time will come talaga, you would be leveraging on people you don't know anymore. People na talagang you've never heard of. Minsan nga natulog ka, biglang may nagpasok from the US. Kinabukasan pagising mo, uy may income ako. May nadagdag dun sa organization ko. Kaya nga sinabi ko, passive income for life. Yan po yung hinahatid binibigay sa atin ni Live Good. Okay, so I mentioned about ranking. Paano ba yung ranking na yan? Again, when we start, we are unranked. Whether we haven't referred anybody to Live Good or iisa pa lang yung na-refer natin, na personally enrolled natin, unranked pa po tayo niyan. Pero even if you are unranked, meron na po kayong kinikita. Yun nga, makapasok ka ng isa, may $25 ka. And mamaya, makikita nyo sa matrix, meron din kita yung mga unranked. Alright. And then bronze. Paano yung bronze? Sabi ko rin kanina, you just personally enroll 2 people. You become bronze already. And then the next rank would be silver. How do you become silver? Instead of just enrolling 2 people, you enroll more. Actually, when you enroll 3, okay na. Kasi to become silver, you need either 10 personally enrolled or 3 direct enrolled bronze. Pero you have to have 20 active members. Kaya nga sabi ko, mag-enroll ka lang ng 3, pwede na. Kasi kung yung 3 gawing mong bronze, and at the same time, padamihin mo sila ng padamihin hanggang sa magkaroon ka ng 20 active members, magiging bronze ka na. Okay? Pero ang maganda nito, talagang keep on enrolling people. Alright? And then gold. Paano ba si gold? Si gold naman, 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct silver rank. Pero ang kailangan na sa gold, you need to have 100 active members. Alright? Now, it looks like it's not doable, pero I'm telling you, ang dami na pong gold dito sa LiveGood. Si Platinum po, you only need 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold ranks with 500 active members. And people are ranking up here nang talagang napakabilis. In fact, yung mga nag-diamond po dito, in a matter of 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, nagiging diamond sila. And si Diamond ang kailangan 3 direct platinum ranks with 2,500 active members. If you think this is not doable, it is. Worldwide po, meron na tayong over 70 diamond members or diamond coaches. Here in the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken, more than 15 na po yung diamond natin dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, may isang rank pa po, yung Crown Diamond. Crown Diamond naman, ang kailangan, you need to have 50,000 active members. Okay, nanunula ka na. Kaya pa ba yan? Yes po, kaya yan. In fact, we have 2 Crown Diamond in the world. And I'm so proud to say na yung isa dyan is our very own coach, Coach Fernan Santiago. Yes, Pilipino po yung naging pangalawang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo at siya yung pinaka nagsimula dito sa Pilipinas ng LiveGood. Okay, yan po ay something na talagang kailangan pinagmamalaki nyo. Alright? Now, to continue, monthly matrix. Sinabi ko nga kanina, even the unranked would be able to earn here. Kasi dito sa monthly matrix, you can earn up to 2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Dito nga po, you just have to subscribe. Make sure you're paying your subscription. You wait, and while you're waiting, continue paying your subscription. And then time will come, you will earn. Okay? Ang gagamitin naman po dyan yung ating matrix, yung matrix structure, yung 2x15 matrix structure. Nabanggit ko na po kanina yan, 2 lang yung ikakabit sa inyo. Baka ang tanong nyo naman, saan gagaling yung mga taong mapupunta sa matrix ko? Okay. Di po ba nabanggit ko rin na tayo, we belong to one matrix, na malaking matrix. Meaning po, may mga tao pa sa taas natin. Even though we only see this matrix, yung our matrix in our business site, meron pa pong mga tao sa taas natin. Okay? So yung mga tao sa matrix mo could either, ang pinakamagandang panggagalingan yan is ikaw. Lahat kasi ng direct na marerefer mo rito, mapupunta sa iyo. So lahat ng direct na marerefer ng mga directs mo, mapupunta rin sa matrix mo yan. That's another source. Yung tinrabaho ng mga na-direct mo. And yung mga tinrabaho ng mga na-direct nila. Ano pa yung isang source? Yung isang source pa is yung mga trabaho ng mga taong nasa taas mo. Because time will come na posible they could spill over people in your matrix, maglaland sa matrix mo. Alright? So yan yung mga pwedeng panggalingan ng mga tao sa matrix mo. It doesn't necessarily have to come from you alone. Alright? And whether galing sa iyo, galing sa nasa taas mo, galing dun sa mga nakuha mo, or galing dun sa mga taong napunta sa matrix mo, lahat ng taong nasa matrix mo, you would be paid 25 cents every month, every time they pay their $9.95 subscription. Okay, baka nalilitan ka dyan, 25 cents. Ang liit naman. Ano yun? 13 pesos. Grabe. Anyway, just to show you kung gaano kalaki yung matrix, eto po yan. Let's say for example, ikaw si Orange Man and all the blue men under you are the people in your matrix. So power of 2 po, di ba? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and so on. Di ba? Now, pag umabot na po yan, parami lang ng paramihan, padagdag lang ng padagdag yan kasi the system will just continue putting people in the matrix and who knows, you would be receiving spillovers as well. Okay? Ngayon, pag napuno po yung level 12, kasi si unranked, if you are unranked, you would still be paid matrix monthly commission up to 12 levels. Okay? So, di ba, level 1 is 2 and then 4, 8, 16. Ngayon, ito po, you don't need to wait na mapuno yung 12 levels na yan before you can receive your matrix income. In fact, magkaroon ka lang ng isang tao sa matrix mo, bibigyan ka na 25 cents. Magkaroon ka ng dalawa, 50 cents. And just think about it, magkaroon ka ng 40 na tao sa loob ng matrix mo. You would be receiving $10 monthly already. That would be enough to cover your $9.95 subscription. So magiging self-paying na yung iyong business. Diba? Kaya maganda nito, even if you're unranked, you would be paid up to level 12. The moment na mapuno yung 12 levels na yan, you actually have 8,192 people in your matrix. Magkano po yan? Times 25 cents. Diyan po nanggagaling yung $2,047.50 monthly matrix commission for the unranked. Unfortunately, if you are unranked, yan lang po yung matatanggap yung compensation dito sa LiveGood. Alright? Kaya kami talaga, we always recommend or we always suggest na talagang keep on referring people to LiveGood. Because when you refer people to LiveGood, not only would you be compensated, you would rank up. And as you rank up, you'd be even compensated even more. Alright? Ito pong unranked matrix commission na to, ito po, dun sa mga nag-try naman, kaso hindi successful. So they don't need to fear even if they stay here for 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, kasi meron at meron silang matatanggap. In fact, 100,000 pesos is not bad na matanggap kung talagang hindi nagawa yung business. Right? Pero maganda nga nito, if you rank up to bronze or silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13, yung matrix income mo aabot na ng 4,095. Nag-double agad. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka up to level 14, that's 8,191.50 na. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Your matrix income reaches 16,383.50. Ngayon, ang tanong, usually ang tanong ng mga tao, kailan naman mapupuno yan? Kailan ko naman marireceive yung 2,000 na yan? Kaya yung mga talagang walang planong mag-invite ng tao, ang hinahabol lang yung matrix. Kailan ko matatanggap yan? Well, ang pinakamaikling sagot ko po dyan is, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko po alam. Kasi hindi natin malaman, may system system assigned. Hindi natin malaman kung kailan kayo magkakaroon ng spillover because you're only umaasa ka lang sa spillover doon sa trabaho ng mga nasa taas mo. Kung hindi mo gagawin yung negosyo, yun lang yung inaasahan mo. So depende kung kailan ka malalagyan. And we don't know where you are in his matrix. Baka naman napakalalim mo na, ang dami pa niyang pinupuno bago umabot sa'yo. And mind you, pa isa-isa lang yan, padala-dalawa. At ang pinakamaano nito, every person na mapupunta sa'yo, that's only 25 cents. Think about this. If you do the business, refer other people, every person na mapapasok sa'yo, sa successfully refer mo, that's $25. And if you're only waiting for the matrix, it will take you 100 people to get that $25. But if you're doing the business, isa lang, may $25 ka na. Marirelease pa sa'yo next week. Alright? Ngayon, ganito. If you find it na talagang, ang hirap gawin nating simple, ha? Sabi ko nga, simple. Let's make it simple. For you, para mapabilis yung pagpuno ng matrix mo, all you need to do is find 2 and then teach them to get 2. Alright? Ayan. If you do that, ito ang mangyayari sa matrix mo. On the first week, you find 2, naging broads ka, di ba? On the first week, you find 2 at sabihin mo dun sa dalawa, kumuha ka rin ng dalawa. Ngayon, bakit kanila susundin? Ito yung reason mo. Kasi pag kumuha ka ng dalawa, babalik yung 49.95 mo. Tsaka pag kumuha ka ng dalawa, magiging bronze ka. You get to enjoy up to level 13 of the matrix. Okay, so they would do that. The following week, nagdagdag sila ng 4. Tapos sabihin mo sa kanila, ngayon, turuan nyo yung mga kinuha nyo na gawin din yun. And they did that. The third week, nagkaroon ng 8 additional, then 16, 32, 64. On the 12th week pa lang po, wala pang 3 buwan or 3 buwan. Umaabot na ng 8,190 in your matrix. That means you're already receiving the $2,000 monthly matrix income. Since bronze ka, up to level 13 ka. On the 13th week pa lang po, on the 13th week, if this happens weekly, on the 13th week pa lang po, sapol na, pasok na, puno na yung 13th level mo. Okay? Now, yan kung gusto mo lang maging bronze. But if you want to rank up, get to, teach the 2 to get to, and then repeat. Pag ginagawa na ng dalawa, na kumuha ng dalawa, hanap ka ulit dalawa. Tapos turuan mo silang kumuha uli ng dalawa. And then hanap ka uli ng dalawa. Ganun lang po. Paulit-ulit lang po. Get to, teach them to get to, and then repeat. Alright? Bakit importante mag-rank up? Kasi po, when you rank up, you'll be receiving more. And when you do that, talagang mas maganda, mas lucrative yung magiging income nyo. Alright? And then now, let's go to the matching bonus. Si matching bonus po is only is given only to those who do the business, who refer people to the program. Okay? So kung talagang hindi ka magre-refer na fix na yung utak mong hindi ka magre-refer, hindi para sa iyo to. Pero makinig ka na rin para makita mo kung gaano kalaki yung pinapakawalan mo. Alright? Matching bonus. Sinabi ko, combination yan yung nung unilevel tsaka nung matrix. Paano po yan? Remember, magre-refer ka ng tao dito. Pag nag-refer ka ng tao dito, sila mismo, each of them would have their own matrix. If they would have their own matrix, each of them would have their own matrix income. Now, what LiveGood would do, since sila nanggaling sa'yo, meaning it's your effort that brought them to LiveGood, LiveGood will match 50% of whatever they earn in the matrix and give it to you as a matching bonus. Alright? So, sample. Meron kang 4 na nakuha, si A, B, si C, tsaka si D. Si A nagtrabaho, meron ng $1,000, receiving $1,000 in his matrix already. Matatanggap ni A yan ng buo. Pero bibigyan ka pa rin ni LiveGood ng 50%. That's $500 as matching bonus for you because it is from you na nanggaling si A. Okay? And then si B naman, may 500, may 50% ka, 250 pa rin yan. Si C, medyo pepetik-petik, $100 lang yung kanyang matrix, may $50 ka pa rin. And then si D, may 200, may 100 ka pa rin. So just imagine that. Ikaw may sarili ka pang matrix ha, on top of your own matrix pa yan. Unlimited yung pwede mong madirect refer dito. That means unlimited yung pwede mong pagkakitaan ng mga matrix, ng mga matching bonus. Sige nga, iniisip mo pa rin bang maghihintay na lang ng matrix na mapuno ang matrix o magsisimula ka na mag-refer ng tao? If I were you, I'd start thinking about it and I'd start calling my friends, my people, those who I have influence over and tell them to join LiveGood. Kasi parang hindi lang para sa iyo to, para sa kanila din. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng compensation eh. So you have to share it to as many as you can. Okay. Now, up to 5 generations yan. So hindi tayo limited na kumita dun sa mga personally enrolled natin. As we rank up, we get to enjoy dun sa mga personally enrolled din nila. 'Di ba? So when you become silver, you get to enjoy up to 2nd generation, may tag 10% ka. Pag gold ka, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd generation gold, meron kang tagpa 5%. Pag platinum ka, up to 4th generation, tagpa 5% din. Pag diamond ka, up to 5th generation, pwede ka pang kumita up to 5th generation ng tagti 3%. Okay, percentage value yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung monetary value. Let's say for example, may direct sponsor ka 10. Yung 10 mo kumikita na ng $100 in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's $50. Eh 10 sila, that's $500. Now, yung 10 mo, they were able to refer 10 people. So nadagdagan ng 100 yung team mo. That's already your second generation and you're already a silver. Each of these 100 earning $100 na lang sa matrix nila, 10% sa'yo, that's $10. Eh 100 sila, that's $1,000. Now, naging gold ka kasi yung 100 nag-refer na naman ng tag sa 10, that's 1,000 additional in your organization. That's already your third generation gold. May $50 na lang na kinikita sa kanilang matrix. May 5% ka pa, that's $250. Eh 1,000 sila, that's $2,500. Pag nag-platinum ka kasi yung 1,000 people nag-refer ng tagli-5, may additional na 5,000 dun sa generation mo. Platinum ka na, $50 na lang kunyari yung kinikita nila, 5% pa rin sa iyo, $250. 250 times 5,000, 12,500. Eh nag-diamond ka pa. Kasi yung 5,000 kumuha ng tag-5, nagkaroon ng additional na 25,000 in your organization. Sige, $30 na lang kunyari yung kanilang matrix, may 3% ka, that's 90 cents. Times 25,000 people, that's $22,500. That's a total of $39,000 monthly income. Monthly na po to kasi monthly magbabayad lahat yung 31,110 people na yan eh. Kasi sila rin kumikita. Di ba? Okay, baka sabihin nyo, ano naman yan eh, puro theoretical naman yan eh, wala bang actual? Let me show you an actual earning. But before I do, magkakaroon lang tayo ng konting disclaimer. Ano? Not because this person, one of our coaches, this is actually an earning of one of our coaches, not because he earned this income, ibig sabihin mangyayari din sa inyo. In fact, pwede kayong kumita ng mas malaki dito. Or pwede rin kayong kumita ng mas maliit. Pwede kayong kumita ng mas mabilis sa kanya, pwede rin kayong kumita ng mas mabagal sa kanya. Alright? Because our earnings here is dependent on the effort you put in. And I've seen him work talagang full effort siya. 100%, 24/7, wala siya na. He lives, he eats, breathes, and live good. Wala na siyang ibang ginawa kundi live good. In his first few months. Kaya talagang humataw siya ng gusto. Just to show you, nung June 1 to 30, yung matrix bonus niya umabot na ng 1,380. Pero look at the matching bonus. It's $12,367. 12 times more nung kanilang matrix bonus. So kung ikaw nag-iisip ka pa rin maghintay sa matrix, mag-isip-isip ka kasi yung pinapakawalan mo, ang laki, 12 times nung hinihintay-hintay mo. Alright, since diamond na siya, may diamond bonus pool na siya kaso hindi ko pa dinidiscuss. Kaya yung monthly income niya nung June umabot ng almost $20,000. And that's just for 1 month. Okay, nung July ang kinita is 1,299 in the matrix pero yung matching bonus grabe, 44,810. Mas malaki pa yung matching bonus sa kanyang diamond pool na 24,000. Alright, hindi ko alam actually kung kanino to pero I'm telling you, totoong kumikita ang mga tao sa Live Good. If you're still doubting, I'm telling you, join now, magpasok ang 2. If by next week hindi ka nakatanggap ng $25 or $50 rather, then hindi siya totoo. Pero if next week natanggap mo yung $50 na fast start bonus, totoo siya. Alright? Sige, let's say for example, meron kang 20 directs. Kaya importante dito talagang nagre-refer ng tao. If you have 20 directs, each of them earning na lang 2,047.50 nung napuno yung matrix nila kasi hindi sila nag-refer ng kahit isa. Okay? Pero umabot ng 2,047.50 talaga yung income nila. 50% nun sa'yo, that's 1,023.75. 20 sila. You get $20,475 monthly matching bonus. Magkano yan in peso? 1.1 million peso po yan. Monthly income. Kung ganyan yung income mo, lahat ng pangarap mo matutupad na. Di ba? Well, let's say you have 30 direct, 6,000 na yung kinikita sa matrix nila kasi they started doing the business. 50% sa iyo 3,000, 30 sila. That's 90,000 income for you. That's a total of 5,000 monthly income. And nakita nyo naman dun sa example ko kanina, talagang kinikita ng mga tao to. Alright? Now, if there would be people or person na talagang ayaw gawin yung business, ito na lang sabihin mo sa kanya. Ipasok mo yung magpasok ka ng dalawang family, yung anak mo tsaka asawa mo. Pasok mo sila. Bakit? Kasi pag ginawa mo yun, magiging bronze ka. Yung matrix income mo, instead of 2,047.50, aabot na ng 4,095.50. Tapos yung dalawang pinasok mo, pag napuno yung kanilang mga matrix, meron silang tag-isang 2,047.50 times 2, that's 4,095. May 50% ka pa dun sa matrix sa matching bonus nila. That's an additional 2,047. So if you do that and then keep their subscription, instead of just earning 2,047.50 in time, aabot ng $10,238 yung monthly matching bonus mo. Or your matching yung monthly family income nila. That's 500,000 family income. Now here in our group, the Dreammaker Worldwide, we have a vision. Yung vision natin, 100 solid referral. What do I mean by 100 solid referral? Meaning, yung 100 referral mo, each of them, kung gusto mo mag-diamond or crown diamond, sila rin gusto nilang mag-crown diamond. Susundan natin yung yapak ng ating direct or ng ating upline, ng ating grand upline na si Coach Fernan Santiago. Lahat tayo magiging crown diamond dito. When that happens, each of us will be earning 16,383.50 in our matrix. Di ba? Kasi mga diamond na tayo eh. Tapos 50% niyan, 8,191.75, that would be our matching bonus. 100 yung direct referral mo, na lahat diamond na lahat puno na yung mga matrix. Aabot ng 819,175 yung monthly income mo. That's in dollars. In peso, umaabot po ng 45 million yan. 45 million pesos monthly income. If this happens, talagang hindi lang pangarap mo, pangarap ng pamilya mo, pangarap ng biyanan mo, pangarap ng kapitbahay mo, pangarap ng church mo, pati yung community nyo, matutupad nyo na po. Ang dami nyo na pang foundation na makakayang patayo dito, ang dami nyo nang matutulungan na mahihirap, ang dami nyong mababagong buhay dito. And since you're doing the business, lahat ng pinasok mo dito sa Live Good, na bago rin ang buhay tulad mo. Alright? Tsaka yung 100 directs mo, since nagsipag-diamond sila, lahat sila, pamilya nila, pasasalamatan ka kasi binago mo buhay nila. Alright? So how do you rank up? Kung kanina nagpakita ako ng simple way to fill your matrix, I'm going to show you a simple way to rank up. Instead of getting the 2, you get 3 and teach them to get 3. Ito mangyayari sa matrix mo. Una, ikaw lang nag-iisa. Then kumuha kang 3. Then yung 3 kumuha ng tagatlo. That's additional 9. And then 27, 81. On the 7th week pa lang, diamond ka na. Kasi umaabot na ng 3,279 yung tao sa organization mo. 2,500 lang ang kailangan para maging diamond eh. On the 10th week, provided na mangyari talaga to, weekly on the 10th week, crown diamond ka na. Kasi 50,000 lang ang kailangan sa crown diamond. Umaabot na ng 88,000 yung tao sa grupo mo. Alright? Ganyan kalaki yung pinapakawalan mo if you would just wait for the matrix. If you would not share, live good to others, ganyan kalaking income yung pinapakawalan mo. So I'm really highly suggesting that you do the business. You refer the business, you refer Live Good to all of your friends. Even do sa mga hindi mo kilala. Okay, meron pa tayong retail bonus, 10 levels deep. Paano naman yung retail bonus? Di ba nakita nyo may retail price tsaka members price? Yung difference nun, 50% sa'yo. That is provided may mga taong bibili in retail from your shop. Okay? Kahit ilan pa yung bumili, may 50% ka. Alright. Ang maganda niyan, may 10 levels deep din. Kasi dito naman, if you rank up, ayan, pag bronze, abot ka level 2, pag silver, up to 4, up to level 4. Pag gold up to level 6, platinum up to level 8, tapos diamond up to level 10. What does that mean? Yung mga retail sales nila, meron ka pa rin corresponding percentage na patatanggap kasi ikaw yung nagdala sa kanila sa LiveGood. Alright? And again, unlimited yung pwede mong i-direct dito. Ngayon yung influencer bonus naman, this is for those na talagang sikat na sa YouTube or sa TikTok, yung may mga followers na. Kasi ito naman on volume sales, volume retail sales. If your retail sales reaches up to 2,500, yung 50% mo dadagdagan pa ng 10%, that's 60% na. Pag umabot ng 5,000 plus 20% yung idadagdag, 70 na. Ito maganda. Pag umabot ng patas yan eh. Pag umabot ng 50% yung retail sales mo in 1 month, ibibigay na yung buong difference sa'yo. Lahat ng kinita dun sa product sales na ginawa mo, sayo na. Kaya maganda rin nagiging influencer. Okay? Ito yung ito yung may mga followers na. And ang maganda niyan, pag may followers na sila, sumusunod talaga, they follow you. Alright? Alright. Now, let's talk about the diamond bonus pool. Kasi ito naman po, it's more of a profit sharing. Lahat ng sales ng company sa subscription, sa product, sa affiliate membership, lahat yan pagsasama-samahin, ito total. Ngayon, yung total niyan, kukurot ng 2%. Yung 2% na yon, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond during that pay period. Right now, we have over 70 diamonds. Lahat sila naghahati-hati dun sa 2% income ng company. And I'm telling you, diamond bonus pool is averaging anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000 monthly. Kaya nga excited na yung bagong promote na diamond ngayon eh. I'm sure hindi na makatulog yan. Naghihintay ng month end para matanggap niya na yung kanyang diamond bonus pool. Alright? Now, if you become a Crown Diamond, may share ka na dun sa Diamond Bonus Pool, meron pang 0.5% na paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng Crown Diamond. And right now, dadalawa pa lang po ang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. I'll give you a hypothetical computation. Let's say, for example, the company earned $10 million this month. Magkano yung 0.5% yan? That's $50,000. Eh, dalawa lang silang naghahati. That's $25,000 each. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung affiliate ka ngayon, madaliin mo na mag-Crown Diamond para 3 na kayong naghahati-hati. Or 4 na tayo kasi malamang ando na rin ako. Alright? Ang maganda pa nito, lahat yung mga Crown Diamond na yan, lahat ng diamond na yan, nagsimula sila just like you. Listening to a presentation just like this. Pero may difference. They made the decision to do the business. They made the decision to do the business seriously. So what I'm saying is we are all in equal footing right now. Kung sila nagsimula as affiliate member, sila nagsimula as actually a guest in a presentation like this. So kung sila nagawa nilang maging Crown Diamond, ikaw din, ako din, tayo din, kaya nating maging Crown Diamond. Now, if you're not yet a member, if you're not yet an affiliate member, I'll give you some reason why you should join. Number 1, we just officially launched. December lang tayo nag-start. Mag-iisang taon pa lang tayo. Meaning, we're not even on the pioneer stage. We're still forming the foundation of LiveGood. Nasa pillar stage pa lang tayo. And right now is the best time to position yourself. Kasi lahat ng magandang mangyayari sa LiveGood, ikaw ang unang magbe-benefit. Alright? Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Kanina diniscuss ko yan. No doubt about it, talagang we are one of a kind. Alright? And then marketing system tools and trainings. Ito po yung isa sa mga tools na pwede nyong i-abuse. In fact, pag nag-join kayo ngayon, mag-invite kayo. Tomorrow, we'll have another presentation just like this, even better. Magko-close yung mga yon, i-close nila para sa'yo. Ikaw, magiging bronze ka na kung halimbawa 2 yung nag-join sa'yo. Imagine that. Tapos we also have trainings, online trainings every Monday, yung local natin. We have every Thursday US time, Friday US time. Ang dami pong trainings na available sa internet. Sa atin pa lang doon sa grupo pa lang natin, ang dami ng trainings na available. In fact, We will have a 7-hour training this coming January 19 na talagang very intense training. I'm sure na lahat ng a-attend doon magiging diamond ng March. Alright. Ganon siya ka-powerful. Alright. And then top 4, a very simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous compensation plan. Ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng company that's giving away 85% of their earnings back to their affiliate members. And it's okay with them. Imagine, 10 million, for example, yung kinita nila this month. Bigay nila yung 8,500,000. May 1.5 million pa rin natitira sa kanila. And monthly income, malaki yun. Malaki yun para sa isang company. Alright? Now, if you're not a member yet, I highly recommend that you become a member now. You go back to the person who invited you, ask for their sponsored link, mag-register ka na, magbayad ka na rin tuloy-tuluyan para makalock in ka na. Okay? And if you're already a member, don't let go. Pay your subscription monthly. Kasi napakaganda na ng position mo. Kasi yung 850,000 members, maliit pa po yan. We're looking at a big future for Live Good. We're looking at 200 million, 500 million, even more. A lot more. Kasi yung mga hindi nga nagbabayad, umabot ng 200 million plus yung subscribers nila eh. Live Good pa na nagsosoli sa mga affiliate members nila. Alright? But the decision is up to you. The decision is up to you. Kanina pinakitaan ko kayo ng dalawang picture. Yung isang picture ng mga miserableng tao na hindi nagli-live good or yung picture ng mga masasayang tao na nagli-live good. So it's up to you. Because what's next after this? Ito yan eh. May tatlong choices ka. Number 1, letter A, I'm in. If that's your decision, you register with your sponsors link, you pay for $49.95 and you're already an affiliate member. Welcome to Live Good. Alright? Or B, shop at member's price. Well, I like the product and I like the discount, pero to become an affiliate, siguro pass muna. Okay lang yon. That's okay with us. Be a member, pay for $9.95 monthly, and enjoy the savings. Or, pwede ka rin naman, no thanks, it's not my cup of tea. Alright, but I still highly recommend for you to use the product. So you get the shop link of the person who invited you, and then order the products at retail. Alright? But before you make any decision, I want you to check this out. Because this can be you today. Overwork ka, underpaid, financially unsecured, or pwede ka naman well-paid, pero walang time with your family. Pwede ka ring OFW. Nang hanggang ngayon, nakikinig ka from Dubai and miss na miss mo na yung pamilya mo. Diba? And whatever your situation right now, what awaits you when you retire? Pag dumating yung time na wala ka ng kinikita, naisip mo ba yon? Have you seen that future? Now, I want you to imagine this. Imagine if you do live good today. Where will you be in the coming years? Kasi ito nakita ko na eh. Nakita ko na nangyayari doon sa mga coaches natin eh. You will have more income than bills at the end of each month. Yes. In fact, nangyayari na po to. Kahit sa amin, nangyayari na to. You will have more time spent with your family and friends. Yes. Nangyayari na rin po to. And you would have a life without debt. Kung lubog ka sa utang ngayon, do Live Good. All your debts will be paid using Live Good income. Ang maganda nito, pag debt-free ka, ang laki ng giving mo. You can give more. You can give more to your church. You can give more to those who need help. Okay? And you can take vacation as often as you like. Dito nga pipiliin mo saan ka magtatrabaho ngayon. Sino gusto mong kasamang magtrabaho ngayon? Kasi you can do the business. We're online business. You can do it in the US, in Dubai, wherever you want to go. Gusto mo mag-skydiving sa Dubai? Di ba? Spend an hour or two in this presentation and then go skydive. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this because I've seen it happen. And it's a very short time. It's less than a year of doing the business pero nangyayari na sa kanila. And ang maganda nito, lahat tayo pare-pareho ng pinagmulan. Lahat tayo nagsimula as affiliate members. Affiliate members. And ang maganda pa nito, sinishare nila yung kanilang pinagagawa kung paano sila naging Crown Diamond, kung paano sila naging Diamond. All we have to do is plug in, stay in. Get in, plug in, stay in. And one day, andun ka na. Tinutupad mo na yung pangarap mo. Just do Live Good. Because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. And I've seen this happen. Don't be left behind. Huwag kang magpaiwan. Alright? Now, for those who are new here, for those who are planning to become an affiliate member, don't worry if you don't know how to do this presentation because we have a daily presentation just like this. In fact, tomorrow, two of our best presenters will be delivering the presentation, si Coach Rene at saka si Coach Hans. Same time po, merong 7 o'clock, merong 9 o'clock p.m. So, for those na may invites ngayon na hindi nakapunta, papuntahin nyo po tomorrow. Definitely, they would be blessed. As much as you are being blessed, hopefully you're being blessed tonight. Okay, so with that, I would like to say thank you and thank you.